This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, their physical computing unit, and I'm on the lesson Functions with Parameters. Let's see what we have. Fish bubbles. This program uses the sound sensor in the same way that the clouds program as the cloud program. How many bubbles will move when you blow on the board? Bubbles. Okay, so we have an array, right? A list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have a list of 8. 0 to 7, right? So that is 8 items if you count them. Sensor threshold, so at 50 is the threshold. On the abort event that the sound sensor changes, okay, what happens? We are going to loop variable I is going to be equal to 0. I is less than bubbles.length. And so when we count length, we start with 1 instead of 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is handy because that means if we start at 0 and go up to the length of the array, which is 8, well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we can do the whole array since we're starting at 0 before the loop's over and I is equal to 8. So we'll move we're going to move 8 bubbles. Is that what it's asking? Oh. Yep, that's how much they will move. Okay, well, that was easy. Now, I'm going to write this. Keep in mind, when you write this and hit submit, your teacher gets your answer. If I'm your teacher, I get your answer. So do it carefully. Also, plagiarism is absolutely inexcusable. Do not just copy my answer. Create your own. I'm thinking about it with you. I want to give you an idea of what I think it is, but make something better. Plagiarism is not acceptable. Alright, here's what I got. I should double check the grammar, but oh well. All 8 of the bubbles will move when the sound sensor detects a change. This is because the array of bubbles has a length of 8, because when we start counting length, we start with 1, and index is 0 through 7. The loop, this thing, will go through each index and cause the bubble at that index to move. Let's test it out. Awesome. Onward!